Welcome back to the cabin, everyone. It's Friday afternoon. The sun will be going down soon. As you saw, I had to break trail coming in. We got about 3 feet of snow up here just over the last few days. Luckily, I made it out with my truck just in time. It started snowing the next day, and we got 3 feet in that snowstorm. So this weekend, I don't know what's planned, so we'll just play it by ear. I'll talk to you soon. It's Sunday about 11:30, 12 o'clock, and I'm getting ready to pack up. As you notice, this was just a short video, not much going on this weekend. I really didn't do anything yesterday, just kind of relaxed and got caught up on some sleep I was missing. So that's about all I did, just a short video, just coming out to the cabin and headed back today. So talk to you soon.